Maisky, huh? I made a print of a hand which is now gonna burst. Hey guys, today we are going to make artificial snow with a baby diaper. Things we need. You need a baby diaper, transparent fish tank like thing, water in a jar or mug, something, scissors. The most important things are baby diapers and scissors. Now, let's start doing. Now, let's cut this both edges. It is a bit hard. They got elastics. I couldn't cut it. Now I'm cutting it. But cutting this, it's hard. It's coming. I couldn't take this. Well, we just need to cut this side. I'm just gonna tear it. Cutting is hard, tearing is easy. I don't know what kind of physics it is. Now let me shake this and do this. And pour some water into it. Look, snow. So it's real. Snow. It's snow. Let's make more snow. I think if I pour more water into it, it will become bigger. Let's try it. Oh, I'm just pouring it out sideways. So let me just do it like this. I am gonna make more snow. I'm gonna put this on the table and make more snow. I'm gonna use my hands. Look at that. It is snow. It is artificial snow. Now let me make more. Give me the scissors. Can you please give me the scissors, please? Thank you. Oh my God! It is absorbing a lot. Now it is not absorbing. I'm gonna put one little buddy in this spot. Oh no, there's more water. I need to put these small buddies. We artificial snow. You know, in our state, we will not have snowfall. So this is good for snow. I have never seen snow. The except the magic crystals. It is also looks same as this. Magic snow. Bye guys. I'm gonna have fun playing with this. Hey, give me the water. Okay. Put water in it. See, these are getting bigger and bigger. Let me make a small snowman for you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me, hero. Happy birthday to me. Now I'm gonna take the cake and love my cake and cut the cake in half. And cut the cake in half. And cut the cake. And cut the cake. And cut the cake in lots of little crumbs and crumbsy, 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 crumbs. And make the candle also in crumbs. These are artificial things. Oh my god, it is so cool. You know, where am I? I'm in Antarctica. You know what? I'm just in my home. I'm gonna make another snowball, which is really big. Oh my, big. Oh my, big. Oh my. I need a huge. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm scared. Oh my. Oh, where's this? Oh no, the snowball disappeared. Where's the snowball? Okay, bye guys.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then.